Hello, welcome, and in this video I'll show you how you can customize your lock screen on the ASUS ZenFone 12. So first, hold your finger on the home screen and press wallpaper and style. And here you can, for example, customize your lock screen by changing your clock color and your wallpaper, like so. For example, you can choose from the default ones, or you can look through the gallery. As you can see, I don't have any photos, so I'm not going to do that. And if you, for example, don't like the big screen, big clock, you can disable this option here in the screen clock section. And as you can see, it has become small. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.